Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beer mug. First, gather your essential tools, including about 2 pounds of clay, a pottery wheel, and various shaping instruments. Prepare your workspace to ensure a clean and efficient crafting experience. You will also need access to a kiln for the crucial firing process later on. Having everything ready makes the creative journey much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's begin shaping the mug body. Center a 2-pound lump of clay firmly on your pottery wheel. Carefully open the clay to create a sturdy base, then slowly and evenly pull up the walls. Your goal is to achieve a mug body that is approximately 5 inches tall and about 3 inches wide. Consistency in wall thickness is key for a strong and balanced vessel. Next, we'll craft and attach the handle. Roll a separate coil of clay, roughly 6 inches long and about 1/2 inch thick. Shape this coil into a comfortable loop that will be easy to grip. Before attaching, score and apply slip to both the handle ends and the mug surfaces where they will connect. Press firmly to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Finally, we move to the finishing stages. Allow your mug to dry slowly for several days until it is completely bone dry. This prevents cracking during firing. Then, apply a food-safe glaze to both the interior and exterior surfaces. The final step is firing the mug in a kiln to a temperature of approximately 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, transforming it into a durable, usable piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.